big pipe, baby.
Big pipe, baby.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day I finally get to install an exhaust on Buttercup 2.0. I've had this Bronco for almost 9 months. It's been long enough. Today I'm installing the MBRP stainless steel 3-inch high clearance single exit exhaust. There's a reason why I chose this exhaust over the many options that MBRP offers. They offer single exit, dual exit, high clearance, stainless steel, aluminized steel, black coated aluminized steel, and the list goes on. But obviously I went with high clearance. That was my #1 requirement for a new exhaust system. I go off-roading and I don't want to bash in my exhaust system, and that's when a high clearance system comes in play. I also went with this one because it is stainless steel, which is more weather resistant, which means it's going to last longer. The best part about this exhaust system, it doesn't matter if you have a 2-door, a 4-door, a 2.3, or a 2.7, because MBRP gives you everything you need no matter what Bronco you're putting this on. Now you may be wondering, how are they able to do that when a 2-door is shorter than a typical 4-door Bronco? Well, you just have to do a little bit of modifications to this pipe, cut it, and you're done. If you have a 2.3, the hanger system for the exhaust is completely different, but MBRP does offer a spacer and an additional hanger to accommodate that. Now that you know why I went with this exhaust system, let's throw this thing on the Bronco. I even have my handy dandy dB meter out. We're gonna get some sound clips so you can see what this thing's all about. Time to get dirty. I decided to not use the creeper today because I have my hair down. We all know what happens when I decide to use the creeper with my hair down. It never ends well. This next part, I know it's going to be sandy because I just went off-road. I did wash the Bronco a couple times, but it's never clean enough. I can't find my safety glasses, so sunglasses are just going to have to do today. Almost. Yeah. All right, now let's go towards the front. Oh, wow. I need to fire myself as car washer because I thought I did a good job, and I didn't. You're fired. You're fired, Krista. Here's to a mouthful of sand. The pipe itself isn't that dirty. See that? Yeah, I can't see it either. Talk about a high clearance exhaust. I love it that a tip is not hanging down. A lot of high clearance exhaust still has this long tip hanging down. It's kind of an eyesore. So just the appearance of it, I love it. My initial thoughts about installation and everything, very easy to do. But now it's time to get the dB meter out and see what this thing sounds like at a cold start. Love the sound of it. It's not whiny, it's throaty, it's not overly obnoxiously loud, but it's loud enough to know that it's there, at least from the outside. Let's go take this thing for a spin and take it to my #1 spot, because if you have a Bronco, you know you're doing this. The most important test to this exhaust is to see if it's too loud to order things at a drive-thru. So of course I'm at my daily spot here at Dunkin' Donuts. We're gonna see if it's too loud.
All right, American Run Foundation, how may I help you?
Hi, can I get 2 large iced mocha coffees, please?
Uh-huh.
And that should be it.
Okay, go ahead and pull forward.
Thank you. Well, I didn't have any problems hearing her, and it didn't seem like she had any problems hearing me. So far, it's passing the test. Just got a new fan. Well, that was pretty cool. I ended up picking up a new fan and subscriber there at the drive-thru. He was complimenting me about the truck. I said, hey, I'm in the middle of filming. He got out his phone and clicked subscribe, so I thought that was pretty cool. If you're watching, thanks. Thanks, man. You're awesome. But it obviously passed the drive-thru test, so let's go ahead, drive this around town, get some outside driving shots, and then we'll get the dB meter out and see what the sound level is on the inside. Driving around town, I'm pretty impressed with this exhaust. I like that when you get on it, you can hear it, and that's what I want from an exhaust. When I'm getting on it, I don't want to be quiet. I want to be heard. But when I'm driving at highway speeds for long periods of time, I also don't want that rumbling constantly. So this is a good happy medium. I feel like when I'm driving at highway speeds, it's not obnoxiously loud. In fact, I can't really hear it that much. I don't want to say it's completely silent, but it's not annoying whatsoever. So overall, I'm really pleased with the sound of it. I was a little worried. I was listening to sound clips and stuff on their website, and it's just so hard, you know, to pick an exhaust off of sound clips. And here I am making a video trying to show you what this sounds like, but really this does have a great sound. I think we got a lot of good sound clips with this trip, so let's go back to the house and then I'll give you a little bit more of a review of what I think about the exhaust. Oh yeah, Buttercup is back in business. Y'all better get out of the way because now you can hear me. I am extremely pleased with the sounds of the MBRP 3-inch high clearance stainless steel exhaust. It's pretty surprising that I could say all of that without messing up because that is a mouthful. It's quiet when you want it quiet, and it's louder when you want it louder. And the high clearance is exactly what I need for when I go off-road. I don't have to worry about bashing into anything or breaking anything. And the fact that I went with the stainless steel, it's gonna last. I just know that stainless steel is the way you want to go. So I am really excited to have this exhaust on. I'll do some follow-up reviews here in the future, but you guys know where to get this, right? BuckleUpOffroad.com. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Until next time, buckle up, Buttercup. I nailed that all in one take. Woo!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
We're filming it right now. That's why he got out. It's for my YouTube channel. Buckle Up Buttercup, check it out. I'm here all the time, by the way. I like. Okay. There's a dog barking.